You see house we rent na 300k. How it take turn reach almost 1 million? For Benin City, house fit cheap, but na the extra wey dey kill person. You go call agents, them go shout, rent na 300k, you go happy, thinking say you don finally see relief. Next thing, agent fee 10%, agreement, commission, caution fee, legal fee, inspection fee. You go dey calculate 300k, don turn 500k, 700k, before you blink, almost 1 million. And na just 1 year rent. No furniture, no light guarantee, no water assurance. So the question be, this na business or organized exploitation? But landlord, you said the rent was final. I no talk that one, oh. Then why the extra charges? Because sometimes the landlord sef no even know wetin these agents they add. Anybody fit wake up, call himself agent, inflate price, add hidden charges, collect money, vanish. You go see young guy wey just get small savings, or family wey struggle gather money, thinking say rent cheap. Get now only to realize say na the extra charges go finish them back. Now why Edo State Government needs step in, set price limits, control agent fees, and protect people. Because truth be say, house for Benin no too expensive. Now the process to get If you don't ever face this thing, drop your story, make everybody hear, make change start.